Hey you guys, I'm gonna do a spontaneous video today. I have to do some grocery shopping, but I thought I would stop at my local discount grocery store first and see what I can find that's on my list, but also just see if I could find any great deals. A lot of times these local discount grocery stores have way better deals than you would think, but you do have to be selective. So come with me and let's see what we can find. These cans of green beans, 59 cents. Just as an example, we have cans of corn for 59 cents. If you're looking to stock up on canned and packaged goods that will last you for a while, even things like this milk, this Horizon milk for lunches, these are $6 and there's 12 in there, so that's only 50 cents a piece. And I have to go to Kroger today, so I'll check, but I'm pretty sure that's a lot cheaper than your average local grocery stores. If your kids like mac and cheese and you like Annie's, this rich and creamy one is only $2 at the store. This is way more than that. Even on sale, I think the cheapest I've ever seen it is like $2.50. So that's one good deal. Okay, I am back from my discount grocery store and I want to show you all the things I scored. So I got all of this for $80 plus ice cream that you don't see because I was in my car for way too long and it turned into soup. So it is in the fridge, the freezer. But I did get 1.5 gallon of Turkey Hill natural vanilla and 2 boxes of Magnum non-dairy hazelnut crunch ice cream bars, which I may have sampled, and they were really good, just so you know. So let's start with the milk. The milk was $2.99 at my discount grocery store. Normally at Kroger, which is where I shop, it's like about $3.40, $3.50. So I'm not saving a ton on these, but still like 40 or 50 cents per gallon adds up, right? Next were these Annie's. Now I know these are kind of just like cookies, but they taste good and my kids like them in their lunches. These were $1.49 and these are normally, gosh, they're probably like $4 at the store. So that was a good deal. This was kind of a splurge. It's not good for you, but it tastes good. And we always had this in Colorado, but this was $4. Taking a quick break while I sample some of the Annie's bunnies. They're still good in case you're wondering. These Bear Baked Crunchy strawberry banana chips, they just have strawberry powder on them, no sugar. I checked, I was really excited about that. And it was only $2, $1.99. These are normally really expensive in the store, so this was actually a really good deal. So I grabbed 3 of those. I got a giant cantaloupe for $2.99, which was about $1 cheaper than my local grocery store on sale. And I was gonna buy string cheese at the store, but I lucked out because they had them at my discount grocery store, and these were only $2 for 12. So I bought 3 of them because that is a super good deal. And I have one daughter in particular that loves these and eats them like, you know, like a meal instead of a snack. So that'll last us hopefully for a couple of weeks, I'm hoping. Moving on to the bread items. As you can see, we like bread in our house, but we won't eat this all at once. This will last quite a long time. But I normally make our own bread and I have a recipe on my channel, so make sure you check that out. It's easier than you would think. Very little hands-on time and it tastes super good. So check that out. But I just checked at this at our grocery store, the discount one, and all of their bread is like $1.50. Bagels, $1.50. English muffins, $1.50, which you really can't beat that. And so I thought, well, I'll check anyways, and I scored. So all of this, it's called Arnold's here, I think in the East, and on the West Coast, I think it's called Oro Wheat bread. Same brand, but this is $1.50, you guys. This is good bread. This isn't like your cheap, crummy, like, you know, really squishy sandwich bread that's like styrofoam. This is good stuff. Same with our bagels. So all their Thomas bagels were $1.50. We like the everything bagels, and I got some cinnamon raisin bagels, and I did find one blueberry, which I don't really care for, but my kids like it. So got lots of bagels for sandwiches or breakfast sandwiches or bagels and cream cheese for lunches, just easy and quick. I just like, one of my favorite lunches is to have an everything bagel, like half of it toasted with butter, and then just have a big old salad. Then you've got your yummy healthy stuff and your carbs on the side. So that's my favorite. And then I also did buy some English muffins. I didn't buy, these are cinnamon raisin ones. I did not buy a lot of these because I stocked up on these last time I went and I still have some in my freezer. So, and then moving on to, I think I showed these to you in a recent live that I did. These are so good. They taste like goldfish, only better. And the good thing about them is this. So they're actually made with real cheese. Their ingredient list, while a little longer than I would like, is actually relatively clean for crackers that are processed. And they taste really good. They're so much better for you than goldfish. So I got 2 boxes of those. They were $2.50. Now that's not like, I know you can get goldfish sometimes for like $1.25, probably for the same amount, but these taste so much better. And I feel better about letting my kids eat these, in larger quantities than I would the goldfish. So bought 5 cans of organic coconut milk. It was $1.79. At my grocery store, organic coconut milk would be at least $2. At least, probably a whole lot more than that. So I felt like this was a whole lot better. And sometimes coconut milk has added fillers in them. So always check your labels on things, canned things, packaged things, because a lot of times you'll be surprised what's in there. Anyways, but this is free of all kinds of stuff that you wouldn't want in there. So that was happy. And probably I saved the best for last. My favorite find are these organic, pure organic layered fruit bars. I don't know if you guys have tried these. They are so good. I've only tried, I think, the strawberry banana ones, but they also have raspberry lemonade and pineapple passion fruit, which sounds really fun and tropical. There are 28 in here, and you guys, this box was $7.99. And at first, I bought these before, but not in this quantity. And at first, I wasn't sure if this was a good deal. So I went to Costco's website and checked it out, and they sell this exact same box for $15.99. $7.99, $15.99 on Costco. I mean, you can't beat this deal. When you're beating out Costco, you know you are getting a screaming good deal. Now, I know that you may not have this particular store in your area, but I encourage you, if you're looking to save money on groceries or you're looking to stock your pantry so you can eat for 3 months, check out that video down below. Then check in maps or look on your local Facebook groups and see if you can find a local discount grocery store. There are a lot more around than you would think, and yes, you do have to pick and choose, and you might have to go a little bit more often to find good deals, because sometimes I go and there's nothing. I come home with like 5 things. Or, if you're looking for a specific thing, you might have trouble finding what you're looking for. But if you go regularly, you will find some of the greatest deals, and it's not just crappy food. It's not just cheaply made food. You can find some things like, a lot of these things I bought are actually pretty healthy, and I got really good deals on them. So I hope that's helpful. I hope you're saving lots of money on your groceries and you're stocking your pantry so you're prepared, not only for prices going up, but also for emergencies, and you have lots of yummy food to feed your family. I hope you enjoyed this quick little video and join me for my next one, and I'll see you then. Bye.